Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, January 18th, 2019. And today, in our Tech News Update, Netflix that has, for the first time, revealed interesting numbers for the viewership of some of its content. One of them is the movie that the Bird Box that been viewed 80 million different people, or at least accounts or family accounts that have watched the movie, and they classify watching a movie as watching 70% of a movie. So it's kind of interesting. Also, of course, we know, and those numbers were given from time to time, 139 million subscribers, 29 million new subscribers just in 2018, which is pretty amazing. And contrary to what a lot of people think, they say that no, we're not trying to steal subscribers from networks like HBO and so on. We're actually trying to steal time from other activities like playing video games or like playing Fortnite. So interesting stats, and Netflix seems to go well as it's about to hike the prices of its subscriptions again. Well, if you still use a Windows 10 phone, Microsoft is warning you that, first of all, the last updates and the last support you'll have is coming soon. December of this year is when all of this is going to stop. And if you continue using it, well, starting March the 10th, 2020, you will not be able to back up the phone anymore. A interesting number, or an interesting thing that happened with Apple, as of course this week Tim Cook, the Apple CEO, has been saying that there's really some need for regulations to keep privacy alive in the technology world. But we also learned that the battery replacement program that actually replaced 11 million batteries hit Apple's profit quite hard. So when people say, well, they don't want to do it because they're going to lose money, there could be some truth behind this. Twitter has just revealed that if you use the Twitter app on Android, well, a bug that was just discovered meant that pretty much all of your private tweets weren't really private. And so, of course, they now fixed the bug, but it means that for years, it might not have been that private, actually. Cortana is in the news today, as Satya Nadella talked about Cortana and says that basically kind of admits, that it's not going to compete against Google Assistant or Amazon's Alexa. So it actually is looking at another way of actually providing Cortana, and that it's with basically simply integrate Cortana with other assistants. And apparently they're doing something with Google Assistant where Cortana could actually join in. So this is going to be interesting. We'll see what future that brings to Cortana. Well, a news item says that if you're an Office 365 consumer subscriber, you might actually soon see yourself basically installing, and Microsoft wants to rebrand Office 365 to Microsoft 365. Not really clear what that change will bring, but apparently might have some new features that right now are not available to just Office 365 subscribers. A study says that despite the fact that many big companies are going to get more technology into the workplace, like robots and artificial intelligence, most of them say they still will hire new employees this year. Also, a lot of them will actually get upskills or more skills to actually interact with that newer technology. A security expert warns that the shutdown of the government in the United States is creating a security hazard. Many websites of the government are actually having and working now with expired security certificates. That means that you can't really prove if a website is the good one or not, or if it's secure or not, because the certificate's expired. So this is one of the bad sides, of course, of the shutdown. And if you have Intel devices in your computer, well, there is an update today for the Universal Windows drivers for Windows 10. They are now called DCH drivers, and they are available. So if you were waiting maybe for a driver, or if you are waiting for simply an update to the actual drivers right now, head on to the Intel webpage and you might see them appear magically. And this was the Tech News Update for Friday, January 18th, 2019. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.